Rufus Roughcut and Sawtooth in the buzz wagon. Maneuvering for position is the Army Surplus Special. Right behind is the Ant Hill Mob in their bulletproof bomb.
If you're on a highway and Roadrunner goes beep beep, just step aside or you might end up in a heap. Roadrunner runs on the road all day. Even the coyote can't make him change his ways. Roadrunner, the coyote's after you. Roadrunner, if he catches you, you're through. Roadrunner, the coyote's after you. Roadrunner, if he catches you, you're through. That coyote is really a crazy clown. When Willie learned that he never can mow him down. Poor little Roadrunner never bothers anyone. Just running down the road's his idea of having fun. Do do do, do 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 do, do do do, do 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 do.
West in Gopher Gulch lived Indian tribe.
Then come the pioneers, push them aside.
All Indians leave but two, they vow to fight.
What can two Indians do?
Go, go, Gophers, watch 'em go, go, go. Go, go, Gophers, watch 'em go, go, go.
Here comes the colonel with his sergeant, both are a-roaring and a-charging.
Go, go, Gophers, watch 'em go, go, go.
Two little Indians, no others near.
Colonel, he vows these two soon disappear. Fighting the army blue, soldiers galore.